É só brincadeira, né? Não vão queimá-la de verdade.
Nunca mexa com uma Suprema.
I've been in the right place, but it must have been the wrong time. I done said the right thing, but it must have used the wrong line. I've been on the right trip, but I must have used the wrong car. Hit us in a bad place, and I wonder what's good for. I've been in the right place, but it must have been the wrong time. My head is in a bad place, but I'm having such a good time. I've been running, trying to get hung up in my mind. Just got to give myself a good talking to this time. Just need a little brain salad surgery. Got to cue my insecurity. I've been in the wrong place, but it must have been the right time. I've been in the right place, but it must have been the wrong song. I've been in the right vein, but it seems like a wrong on. I've been in the right world, but it seems like the wrong.
Uma palavra final.
Vocês são um bando de sapinhos e a Fiona está levando lentamente um a um para ferver na panela. E não vão nem sentir até ser tarde demais. Prefiro ser queimada do que fervida.